Anne Ogden Gaffney, and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So, I'm making a kind of individual version of one of my favorite dishes, which is eggplant parmesan, and these we're calling eggplant Parmigian sliders. Sometimes you just don't want to or don't need to make a dish that feeds a cast of thousands, and this is a perfect way to make like an individual taste of this fantastic summer treat. So I've just right now been cutting up a little bit of fresh basil, which smells absolutely divine, and I'm going to show you how we're going to set this up. So first of all, I'm going to put the oven to 425 and move the shelf up to a high, to the rack to a high shelf. So I'm going to just start slicing some eggplant. I want it to be about 1/4 inch thick. Okay. Now eggplant, when you fry it, normally when you make an eggplant parmesan you fry the eggplant. This is not what we're going to do this time. We're literally just going to just toss them in a little bit of oil. If you want to, you can salt these first. Okay, and then just lay them onto parchment paper. You're good. Okay, so obviously we're going to have a couple of trays of these, and I'll show you some that I've already done. These ones we already roasted, and you can see they shrink quite a lot, but they're all kind of brown and toasty. So I'm just going to put this to one side and we're going to start to assemble them. Now you need really nice beef steak tomatoes for this. Cut those into thin slices. Ricotta cheese. You can put mozzarella if you prefer it. A little bit of basil. And if you can't find fresh basil, don't use dried, but rather go for something like a little pinch of dried oregano is better. Okay. Okay, you just pull this together and just twist it, and then you can just set them on a tray and bake them in the oven. Now obviously if you're making a whole bunch of these, you can see that out of one eggplant and like one tomato you can get kind of quite a few servings. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven and then we'll have a look later. And here we have our little eggplant Parmigian sliders. All I can say is yum. Yeah, this is totally ready to eat now. Everything's cooked. So easy, right?